Hey everybody, welcome back. Today I just want to tell you about some customers often do, and maybe it's human nature. So when equipment leaves the shop and it's being transported, I tell people turn the fuel valve off so it's in the off position here, and I do remind them when you get home and you go to use the machine, just remember to turn the valve back on like this. Sure enough, the very first time they go to use it, they'll call me and say, hey, it just ran for like 10 seconds and now it won't run. So this is what's happened with this machine here, and I told the guy, look, make sure the fuel valve is on before you come back here with it, because it ran good here. I started it in front of the customer, and when he came back, the fuel valve was in the off position, and then he told me that he had it in the on position. Anyway, I turned it on in front of him, and it started and ran right away. So just a tip here, when you bring your equipment to a shop and the mechanic asks you a question, it always works better if you just tell the truth. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day.